If you want to clean the HEPA filter in Tikom L8000, first of all, to access it, you will need to remove your dustbin and then open the hatch. And right here, you should be able to find a cover. I've already removed that cover, but you will need to pull it out. And then inside, you can find your HEPA filter. Now to actually clean it, you shouldn't use any water on it. That's the first thing, first rule. Never use water on that HEPA filter. Next step to clean it is to grab something like a trash bin, and then you can take your filter and just hit it, not so hard, not to damage the gaps between them, but you can tap on it to remove any dust. And if there's also any dust remaining after that, you can use a brush that comes along with this Tikom L8000 and gently clean any leftovers. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.